Hello everyone, my name is Dave, and welcome to Hey, It's a Great Life. Today we will take a look at 5 cool audio tech gadgets you need in 2021. First up, we have the Sony WH-1000 XM4 wireless noise cancelling over-ear headphones with mic for phone call and Alexa voice control. No matter where you go, these noise-canceling over-ear headphones deliver pristine sound quality. While automatically adjusting ambient sound according to your activity and registered locations, leaving your hands and mind free from the hassle of changing settings just to hear what you want to hear. Plus, the headphones detect when you're wearing them and start and stop your audio for you. Pretty cool, if you ask me. You can pick up the Sony WH-1000 XM4 headphones for $348 US. Next up, for a more affordable option, we have the Soundcore Life Q30 wireless headphones by Anker. The Soundcore Life Q30 wireless noise cancelling headphones by Anker are one of the best for under $100. The over-ear cans have an elegant design, a comfy fit, impressive sound quality, sophisticated noise cancellation, and up to 30 hours of battery life. You can order the Q30 in black, blue, or pink. Each pair of headphones comes with a stylish protective case, and Anker backs the product with an 18-month warranty. The Soundcore Life Q30 wireless headphones can be purchased for $79.99. If you prefer earbuds, we have the Jabra Elite 85T True Wireless Earbuds. The Jabra Elite 85T True Wireless Earbuds have been engineered for a call and music experience like no other. The Jabra Elite come with fully adjustable advanced active noise cancellation, 12mm speakers for big sound, up to 25 hours of battery life with ANC on, and 6 mic technology with wind protection for quiet calling. And because this is Jabra Tech, all this audio excellence has been crammed into these tiny, sleek little earbuds. Now, ANC doesn't only stand for active noise cancellation. For the Jabra Elite 85T, it also stands for Accept No Compromise. The Jabra Elite 85T earbuds are available to buy from October 19th. Moving away from headphones and onto speakers, we have the Sony SRS RA3000 360 Reality Audio Wi-Fi speaker. This Sony wireless speaker delivers solid sound enhanced by the tech giant's cutting-edge 360 Reality audio format. The latter offers a more immersive, multi-directional listening experience than conventional stereo sound, which surrounds the listener. This speaker has an elegant housing whose fabric finish is available in black or light gray. Other key features of the product include intuitive controls, support for Chromecast and Spotify Connect wireless playback, Bluetooth connectivity and compatibility with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant voice commands. Users can set up the speaker, customize its sound, and control its settings via a mobile app. The Sony SRS RA3000 is available for $298. Finally, we come to JBL Xtreme 3 waterproof Bluetooth speaker. JBL's Xtreme 3 speaker will bring party-level sound anywhere you take it. It can blast powerful tunes with excellent quality. We also really like the product's removable fabric handle with an integrated bottle opener, guaranteed to come in handy during an outdoor event. The Xtreme 3 can deliver up to 15 hours of wireless tunes between battery charges, and it can even charge your gadgets via a built-in USB port. The JBL Xtreme goes for $349 US.